Hello everyone, this is International GCSE Math Edexcel Modular and Linear. In Modular, this is Unit 1. ABC is a kite. AB and AD and CD equals to CD. The point B has a coordinate k and 1 where k is negative constant. And the point D has a coordinate 8 and 7. The straight line L passes through the points B and D and has a gradient of 3 up to 5. So the gradient for the points on B to D, which is 3 over 5, find an equation of AC. Okay, so can I draw the kite? AB equals to AB equals to AD like this. And then CD equals to, can you make it like this? AB equals to AD. And CD equals to BC. We need to draw the straight line L passes through the points B to D. B to D. And we need to find an equation of A to C. So what do you think? A to C, this is a perpendicular line on BD. We know that the gradient of AC, or the slope or AC, which is reciprocal and opposite the sign, instead of positive will be take away, reciprocal 3 over 5 will be 5/3. So this is the gradient of AC. You know why? Because AC is perpendicular to BD. First of all, we need to find a value of K. So the gradient or the slope equals to M equals to Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. Where is X1 and X2? X1K, Y1 1, X2 8, Y2 7. So 7 minus 1 over 8 minus K, this is equivalent to this 3 over 5, the gradient that you have. 3 over 5. Can we take away 1 from 7? So this is equals to 6 over 8 minus K equals to 3 over 5. So can we multiply expanded 3 to 8 minus K, equivalent to 6 times 5? Now it's easy to find the value of K. So 3 times 8 minus K equals to 6 times 5. So 8 minus 3K equals to 30. And then minus 3K equals to 30 minus 3 times 8, which is 24. So 30 minus 24, so minus 3K equals to 30 minus 24, which is 6. So K equals to 6 divided by minus 3, which is minus 2. Now I have the value of K, which is minus 2. So the coordinate of the first point on B, so B will be minus 2 and number 1. And the D point 8 and 7. That's it. How can I find the perpendicular slope for the equation AC? The perpendicular Slope will be minus 5 over 3, reciprocal and opposite the sign for the gradient. You know why? AC perpendicular on BD. And then we need to find the midpoint to find an equation. So we need to find the midpoint here. So the equation of the midpoint is m equals to x2 plus x1 over 2, y2 plus y1 over 2. So m equals to minus 2 plus 8 over the 2 points that you have, minus 2 plus 8, x1 and x2, over 2, and 1 plus 7 over 2. So this is equals to, the midpoint should be 3 and 4. Now, very easy to find the equation, but be careful, you have to make it on this form. Px plus 9y equals to r. So you have the midpoint now. So y minus, this is y-axis and this is x-axis, midpoint for y and midpoint for x. Y minus 4, which is the slope for the perpendicular line, which is minus 5 over 3, multiplied by x, but minus 3, this one. And then, can you multiply by 3 in both sides like this? Multiply by 3 here and by 3 there. Times 3. So this is will cancelled. And then 3y minus 12 equals to minus 5x plus 15. And then can we need the form x and y on the left side and the constant to the right side. So bring down 3y, adding more 5x equals to 15 plus 12. 12 will be positive to the other side. So this will be 3y, the final answer, like the form 3y plus 5x equals to 27. And this is exactly your final answer. This is one of the tricky questions in International GCSE Math O level. Please watch this video before your final test.